I've been stuck at work for closing in on 10 days here. This is all the footage I have. I haven't been able to get home, grab some more clips. I really wanted to upload something for our 500 subscribers. Holy cow, we did it. Let's keep it going. The beginning of this video is going to be a lot of cleanup montages. It's not my favorite thing to post here. I'm not super proud of it, but it is pretty satisfying. A lot of pressure washing, getting that glass clear. I'm gonna have to buff the glass though. It is kind of etched from water spots, I noticed, so. All right, guys, I really wasn't gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. Back at Mother Truck's first HQ. We're not working on this today. We're working on this. We already got started. I'm not gonna explain what we're doing, but just watch. That was the paint. That was the original paint right there. Hectic couple of days. I was at work for 5 days. Nothing crazy. I've been waiting to show you guys some things. First up, we have some 1960 something hubcaps. I know this isn't a part of the budget build, but this is kind of how you keep costs low. So pick these up for 20 bucks, 20. I'm gonna show you how we can make these things look minty fresh. I got a set of these older hubcaps and some 70s style that I love. I got those for a pretty good deal. I'll be polishing those up later in the video. Oh, all right. Ingredients of the day. There's not much you cannot accomplish with some good old-fashioned elbow grease on these old rigs. That's what I love about them most, I think. Doesn't take much. Alakazam. 20 bucks invested. How much do you think they're worth? 25? It's been a couple days now. I just kind of wanted to show you this in some light, I guess. Not too bad, little rustic look. We put some clear coat over that, so hopefully it'll stick around with us for a little while longer. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Fits the truck. In typical fashion, we're jumping around on this rig like a flea. A flea on something. I'm not gonna say what, leave it up to your own imagination. So the mission right now is to take that dash pad off. Okay, folks. Here's the aftermath. You know, I was really just cringing at the thought of doing this. I don't agree with it at all, but it does calm my mind a little bit, you know? No more cracked, ugly dash, pad. Once we get this all cleaned and buffed up, I think she'll look a-okay. Before I forget to mention, shout out to this Mother Truck subscriber who commented below and recommended we take this dash pad off. You were definitely part of the inspiration to do it. Thanks for watching and thanks for commenting. It means a lot. I read every single comment. Late nights, they are in, the little vents are in. Dash. Headliner is in. A little lumpy, but
it's better.
Oh! I just want to take a second to thank everyone for watching this video. It means so much that you guys enjoy watching what I like doing. And it honestly motivates me to get outside sometimes. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.